Alright, so welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this thing that I bought on eBay for $30. This isn't something I'd usually buy and review, but it's something I decided I really needed a better one of for one of my trains. Just since the one I use for it is already really bad, so if you know what I'm talking about, or don't, you'll know in a second. Here, let me turn the box this way. Some packaging on there. I'm gonna flip it around again to get this side. Right there. That side right there should be pretty good. Just move it out of the way. This is what I bought. I think the flap opens up. It's a Proto 2000 Caboose. So let's just go into the review of this new Caboose. We're not taking it out of the box just yet. So with this, we will start with the box overview of it. It is kind of beat up. This was originally $35. I bought it for the same price. Proto 2000 stuff's really detailed, so let's look over the box. The front of it looks really nice. I just really like the huge logo and the huge photo of what you see, as well as just the font that they used. It's a pretty similar thing on this side and on the top, as well as the other side. But as you saw in that last clip, you can open this up, and if I can back it up far enough, I don't think I can. It actually has all the wording of the Caboose on it, and some talk about it and all the details of it and the history. So here, I'll just hover over it a bit so that you can read it. So for anyone who wants to read it, you can pause right here. I'm just making this quick little cut to show you this. So now we're going to go on to the how to unbox section of this. So how you unbox this is pretty much the same, but with a few extra steps as other things. This one, again, you just open it up, and then you pull this whole assembly out. For this, you do actually have to assemble part of the Caboose. You've got to take it out bit by bit here. They do have some special pieces holding everything into place. So this is a slightly trickier thing to unbox. So you have to remove these inserts. Then you actually get to pull out this here Caboose, which I believe is supposed to be lighted. It feels pretty weighted. And then you have to actually assemble the whole Caboose. So let's go do that quickly. So I believe how you are supposed to assemble it is to place these little ends on. There are two tiny holes on each end of the Caboose. Forgot to share the underside detailing, but it's really good, and you can tell that this is a lighted Caboose pretty easily. The wheels seem a bit dirty, so I'll give them a cleanup. It also has horn hook couplers, which I definitely am going to be swapping those out in the future. But yeah, it's also got a really nice interior if you can't see. There, the whole Caboose. Well, that part's all put together. So now what I gotta do is put the shell of the Caboose on. This is kind of a struggle. They are supposed to fit very snugly, I believe. Here. Maybe I've got it on the wrong way or something. It is a very, very snug part to get on. These doors actually open too, which I believe you also have to move to get them to fit properly. So, Then you snap the caboose itself into place. Then what you've got to do is actually begin to assemble ends bits like you did earlier. You should actually do it right now, just because all the holes line up better. Right here, this is a kind of difficult process to do, so I'll just put them on off camera. Alright, so I got the caboose all set up on the track, so let's go into the detail review. So, first what I think I'll just start with is the underbody detailing, which I'll just show it to you here. It looks pretty good. I actually can't fault it. I think it looks amazing. I had to change the couplers out just so I could put this knuckle that I had laying around on it, so that's why there isn't one on the back. I'll go over to the sides. They look pretty good. They could be better. The doors actually do open on both sides, so that's a nice thing. So I think they could have done something better there, but hey, I think they did pretty good for what they could. Here's also the side of it. It just seems okay, but not the best, and again, they could have done more. The roof, I really like all the separately applied detailing up here, which I feel like, again, they could have done more. Might just be me. There's also an interior in here, which is actually really cool, except the caboose only has a light that lights up half of it, so it's kind of not great. So here, let me just get it set up on the track, and it'll be lighted over here. Sometimes you gotta wiggle it because the wheels are a bit dirty, if it even wants to cooperate right now. Yeah, look, I had just turned the light all the way up. So here's how it looks inside there. You can kind of see, but yeah, it does have a really good detailing. This is about more of a normal speed for lighting, which I think might give you just enough of a glow to actually, just enough of a glow to actually see inside all the details. So I think they did pretty good on the lighting, but again, it could have been better. So let's go give this caboose a roll test. So I don't expect it to roll that good because of the contacts, but we'll see anyway. Yep, just as I thought, it's a bit stiff just from all the contacts and stuff that here on the bottom, so it's not really something you can fault it much for. It's just one of the consequences of having a nice lighted caboose. So let me go into my final thoughts of this caboose. So overall, I think this is a really good caboose that I'd recommend, but I think they could have done a bit more on the exterior detailing. So thanks for watching, and if you want to see me unboxing another lifelike product, click on the screen around now.